if sin alpha is equal to p, then the quadratic equation whose roots are tan alpha by 2 cot alpha by 2. So roots are tan alpha by 2 cot alpha by 2. Then what is the quadratic equation? If suppose roots are alpha comma beta, then quadratic equation is x square minus x into alpha plus alpha beta is equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation with roots alpha comma beta. But what is given? Tan alpha by 2 cot alpha by 2 are the roots. So we are finding the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta first. Alpha plus beta is equals to tan alpha by 2 plus cot alpha by 2. Now this is tan alpha by 2 sin alpha by 2 by cot alpha by 2 plus cot alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 by sin alpha by 2, and this is equals to, taking LCM, sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 LCM. Now sin square alpha by 2 plus cos square alpha by 2, which returns the value 1, and this is equals to 2 by 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. Applying 2 to this term, that is 2 by 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 equals to 2 by 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 is equals to sin alpha, and this is equals to 2 by p. Already given that sin alpha is equals to p. So 2 by sin alpha is equal to 2 by p. Therefore, and alpha into beta is equals to tan alpha by 2 into cot alpha by 2, that equals to 1. Therefore, the equation is x square minus x into alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equals to 2 by p plus alpha beta. Alpha beta equals to 1. Now taking LCM, px square minus 2x plus p is equals to 0, which is the first option. Cos 66 plus sin 84 is equals to, what is the answer? So given problem is cos 66 plus sin 84. Now sin 84 is nothing but cos 6. Cos 66 plus cos 6. And this is cos c plus cos t. Cos c plus cos t formula, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. 2 cos 66 plus 6 by 2 into cos 66 minus 6 by 2 is equals to 2 cos 72 by 2 36 into cos 60 by 2 30. Now substituting the values, cos 36 value root 5 plus 1 by 4 into cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Now this is 1 by 4 into root 3 into root 5 plus 1. That is the last option. Tan theta plus tan 2 theta plus root 3 tan theta into tan 2 theta is equal to root 3. Then general values of theta. So given that tan theta plus tan 2 theta plus root 3 tan 2 theta is equal to root 3, which implies tan theta plus tan 2 theta is equals to root 3 minus root 3 into tan theta into tan 2 theta. Writing this last term to that side, which implies tan theta plus tan 2 theta by taking root 3 common here, then root 3 into 1 minus tan theta tan 2 theta, it becomes root 3 into 1 minus tan theta tan 2 theta. That is tan theta plus tan 2 theta by 1 minus tan theta into tan 2 theta is equals to root 3. Now this is in the form of tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b, which is tan of a plus b, that is tan of theta plus 2 theta is equals to root 3. Root 3 is equal to tan 16, that is tan of 5 by 3. That is 3 theta is equals to 5 by 3. Now which implies tan 3 theta is equals to tan 5 by 3. Now taking the general solution to this, now which is in the form of tan theta is equals to tan alpha. Now tan theta is equal to tan alpha, then the general solution is theta is equals to n pi plus alpha. That is theta, where theta is equal to 3 theta. Theta means here we have 3 theta. That is 3 theta is equals to n pi plus alpha. In place of alpha we have pi by 3. N pi plus pi by 3. That is theta is equals to n pi by 3 plus pi by 9. Take 9 LCM, 9 into 3 n pi plus 5. And this is equals to 3n plus 1 into pi by 9, which is the second option. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation x cube minus ax square plus bx minus c is equal to 0, then sigma alpha square into beta plus gamma. What is that value? We want to find that value. So first we are taking the given equation. Given equation is x cube minus ax square plus bx minus c is equals to 0. Now we want the value of sigma alpha square into beta plus gamma. Now the formula for this term is equals to S1 S2 minus 3 S3. This is the formula which is used to find the value sigma alpha square into beta plus gamma. So first for that we are finding the values of S1, S2, S3 now. So S1 is equals to S1 formula minus x square quotient by x cube quotient. This is the formula, that is minus a by 1, which is equals to a. Now S2 is equals to x quotient by x cube quotient, that is x quotient b by 1 equals to b. Next S3 is equals to minus constant by x cube quotient, that is minus c by 1 equals to c. Therefore required value sigma alpha square into beta plus gamma is equals to S1 S2 minus 3 S3, that is S1 a into S2 b minus 3 into S3 c, ab minus 3c, that is the first option.